If you want a pickup on your ukulele and you don't have a built-in one and you don't want to mic it up, here is a really good alternative. These are dual piezo pickups created by a guy called Peterman. His website is peterman.com.au and he hand makes these acoustic pickups and I think he does a beautiful job. So I want to show you how they work and what they sound like and different placements you can do on your ukulele to transform the sound into something a little more electric. The darker colour one is the bass and the bottom one, that's the treble one. And then it connects onto your strap button. It has the female 1/4-inch jack and you can just place your lead or your wireless transmitter into that. So when I purchased this product, it came with some pretty detailed information on how to install the pickup. And interestingly, you just use some Blu Tack. This one here is the bass, the darker coloured one. Peter suggests a stripe of Blu Tack on there, and for the other one, 2 little pea-sized balls. And the idea is when you place that down onto your instrument, there's some space between the pickup and your instrument so that it can have that space to vibrate. So you place them onto your instrument. You can start at the bridge. And the great thing about this is depending on how it sounds, you can move them to different spots. So you may decide that the bass is better here and the treble works great on the bridge or vice versa. On this instrument I have low octave uke strings, so there's going to be quite a bass sound on this one. I will demonstrate it on a more standard ukulele as well. So now I'm going to test out the Koa concert, see how that sounds.